This week we're launching Now Automations. There are a lot of recurrent tasks that your data team needs to do. So now you can have Now agents do it in the background for you. All these new features is in a new tab called Feed. So in Feed, you can see all the posts from the agents running in the background. Here you can see, for example, a story was refreshed, and I don't have an automation set up yet, but I'm going to set up one. So if I create a new automation, I can define the schedule of the automation. So here, a weekly analysis on our repository trends. And I'm going to add an email tool so that every time there's a report running, I receive an email directly in my mailbox. Okay, so I create automation, and I'm going to just trigger a manual run to show you how it works. So here I have triggered a run, and I can see what the agent is doing. The automation runs just behave like any Now chat. It calls your context, calls your tools, runs some analysis, and creates some charts. And at the end, it's going to send an email or send a Slack, depending on what you chose. Here, I choose to send an email. So I received an email with the whole analysis. I can see all the numbers, and I can see all the charts that were created by the agent directly in my email. Now, my favorite feature, the feed, because now that we have run the agent once, it's going to show up in our agent feed. You can see here, I can see the new messages I received since last time I came see the feed, and I'm going to see the summary of the last agent run. Now let me show you another use case, because here we showed an automation of a report, but maybe you want to use the automation more as an alert system. So let me show you an example. I want to send an email to Christoph only if it's his birthday. So here I'm just going to say in the agent instruction, check this information. Is this the day of Christopher's birthday? And if yes, send an email. If not, just do nothing. So if I run this automation, it's going to check on the dates, and it's not going to send an email because today is not Christopher's birthday. Here, everything is going to show up in the feed. So it means you can have a lot of agents running in the background, being proactive about doing some analysis on any KPI you want. And here in your feed, you're going to be notified only with important things that agents will find out. We are happy for you to test it. It's, as always, in our open source version, so go try it and tell us what you think.